Spring is such a beautiful season. Let's make a gorgeous flower bouquet using pipe cleaners together. Let's start with a Gerbera daisy. Use half a stick, fold it in half, then shape one petal like this. Make 14 petals in total. Now let's make the flower center. Pick a darker colored stick and wrap around the flower stem like this. We're using hot glue gun. Then take a beige colored stick and shape it into a circle. Then glue them together. Time to attach the petals. Next, take a green stick and fold it like this. Attach both parts and add the stem. Now let's make a fresh lily. To make a lily, we need 10 sticks in total for the petals. First, take one stick and fold it in half twice. Take another stick and fold it in half. Press it through the middle and twist it 2 or 3 times to secure it. Then fold both sides down. Wrap the small tail around the base 2 or 3 times. Then shape the petal. One petal is down. Now I make 4 more petals the same way. Next, we'll make 2 leaves using 2 green sticks each. Twist the middle twice and pinch a small tip at the top. We'll take one long section and wrap around the base 2 or 3 times. Then shape it into a gentle arc. Make 1 more leaf the same way. Now shape the flower center like this. Let's assemble the flower. Trim the base, then add the stem and leaves. Our lily is now finished. To make a tulip, we need 12 sticks for the petals. Fold 2 sticks in half and place one inside the other. Twist it twice to secure. We'll fold both sides down and pinch the end, then twist and measure the length to about half of the index finger. Twist twice again to secure the center. We fold one long end over, flip it and fold the other end over. And shape a curve on each side like this. We create a small gap here and insert a stick. And then flip it and repeat on the other side. Gap the loose ends, tighten the base, and push it up gently. We'll make 3 petals in total like this for the inner layer. For the outer layer, bend the base downward and shape the petal into a wider curve. Next, make 2 leaves. Pass 1 stick through the other and twist twice to secure. Tighten the base and curve the leaf. Make the second leaf the same way. Now let's assemble the tulip. We take a flower stem and attach the inner layer first using a hot glue gun. Glue the 3 petals together. And then attach the outer layer by gluing each petal into the gaps. We wrap a green stick around the stem and attach the leaves on both sides. Wrap another green stick all the way down to finish the stem. Our pink tulip is now complete. Wrap the flowers in vintage-style newspaper. Tie a bow to make it even cuter. Now we have a refreshing spring bouquet to decorate your room or give to someone you love. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one.